In this video, let's talk about how to use Acorns Later. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on Howgenic everyone. Acorns Later is a feature inside of the Acorns platform which lets you show the investments that you made or the type of portfolio that you have within the app or the account of Acorns. To use the Later feature or to take a look at the Later feature, let's head over to the app of Acorns. Once you're inside of the app, to head over to the Later section, you're going to see this section which says Later. So just tap on the Later option. Once you tap inside of this section, it's going to show you on the top, it's going to show you the amount of money that you've totally invested inside of Acorns. You just need to scroll down and head over to the portfolio section. Now, once you scroll down, it's going to show you the list of investments that you made inside of Acorns. It's going to show you the ETFs, whether it be the stock ETF, bond ETFs, or real estate ETFs as well. So from here, you can take a look at the individual investments that you have and the total value that you have inside of this particular portfolio. Now, there are different types of portfolio that you can choose from or you can manage from. If you tap on the edit option on the top right, you're going to see this menu which says edit your portfolio, and on the risk option you're going to see the current type of portfolio that you have. Currently it says right here moderately aggressive. Based upon what you selected previously, yours is going to say different. So that was the video about the way that you use the Acorns Later feature. I hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up.